Benefits of lemon. Lemons are packed with various nutrients and compounds that offer numerous health and practical benefits. Here are some of the main benefits of lemons. High in vitamin C. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. Consuming lemons can help strengthen your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Antioxidant properties. Lemons contain antioxidants, such as flavonoids and vitamin C, which can help combat free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage and contribute to various diseases, including cancer and heart disease. Aid in digestion. Lemon juice has a similar structure to the digestive juices found in the stomach, which can help stimulate the production of bile and improve digestion. Drinking warm lemon water in the morning can also act as a gentle laxative and may help with constipation. Hydration. Lemons are a good source of water and electrolytes, making them a refreshing and hydrating option, especially when added to water. Weight management. Some studies suggest that compounds in lemons, like polyphenols, may help with weight loss and weight management. Additionally, replacing sugary beverages with lemon-infused water can reduce calorie intake. Skin health. Vitamin C in lemons is essential for the synthesis of collagen, a protein that maintains the health and elasticity of the skin. Applying lemon juice topically may also help lighten dark spots and blemishes. Kidney stone prevention. Citric acid found in lemons may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and urine pH, which can reduce the risk of crystal formation. Freshens breath. The acidic nature of lemon juice can help kill bacteria in the mouth, reducing bad breath. However, it's essential to rinse your mouth with water afterward to prevent potential enamel erosion. Natural preservative. The high acidity of lemon juice can act as a natural preservative, helping to inhibit the growth of bacteria and prolong the shelf life of certain foods. Mood booster. The aroma of lemons has been shown to have mood-enhancing effects and can help reduce stress and anxiety. It's important to note that while lemons have many benefits, consuming them in moderation is key due to their acidic nature, which can potentially harm tooth enamel and irritate sensitive digestive systems. If you have any specific health conditions or concerns, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet.